Welcome back to this video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you on how to simply crop video in CapCut. Very easy step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about CapCut video editing software. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back, friends. So this video from my timeline right here, I'm going to simply click on this plus sign right here to add track. So having had the video to track, then you can see the video frame rate from the preview right here. Okay, so I want to simply crop this video to my own desired size. So for you to crop a video, what you want to do is to make sure you click navigate to crop ratio right here. So having clicked on crop ratio, a dialog window like this is going to pop up. Then the next thing you want to do is to drag from the different angle to drag and resize the video. So let's see. So we have to drag from the top right here. So I just need to drag it this way. Then I will simply take this into the center point like this. Then I need to take it to the top a little bit. So you just have to be flexible and see how best you can achieve the right result when you are trying to crop your video. So in this regard, I'm satisfied with this particular crop. After you have successfully selected the area you would like to crop out from your video, next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here and click on confirm. Boom. So your video is going to be cropped to your preferred size of video. So by the time we play this video, let's see. So we are able to crop this video successful without any stress. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to crop your video in CapCut editing software. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about CapCut video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.